Hello and welcome to English Podcast for You. I'm Amelia, and I'm thrilled you're here. Whether you're just beginning your English journey or looking to sharpen your basic skills, you've come to the right place. Make sure to subscribe, give this episode a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's make learning English enjoyable and simple. Together. Let's get started. In this very first episode, we're going to learn something super important. How to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is one of the first and most common conversations you'll have when meeting new people. So let's learn how to do it with confidence. Here's an example of a basic introduction. Hi, my name is Amelia. I'm from USA and I'm 24 years old. I really enjoy eating pizza and spending time in my pink cozy room. Let's break that down. Hi, my name is. A friendly and simple way to begin. Say your own name after this phrase. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is. I'm from. This tells someone where you're from. Example. I'm from Japan. Repeat after me. I'm from. I love. Share something you enjoy doing. Example. I love reading and hiking. Now it's your turn. What do you love doing? It could be a hobby, a favorite food, or something fun you do in your free time. Say it out loud and keep practicing. Let's listen to a short conversation between two people who are meeting for the first time. Hi, my name is Crystal. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Minato. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from USA and you?
I'm from Spain. Did you notice how polite and easy the conversation is? Let's practice it together. I'll say Crystal part, you say Minato lines. Hi, my name is Crystal. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Spain.
Great job.
Well done. Feel free to replay this part and practice as many times as you want. Now that you know the basics, let's make your introduction a bit more natural and advanced. You can talk about your job or studies. I work as a teacher. I'm studying computer science at university. Right now, I'm focused on improving my English. Mention your age politely. I'm in my 20s. I'm 24 years old. Why you're learning English? Example. I'm learning English because I love to travel. I'm learning English to grow in my career. Try creating your own sentence using one of these examples. Speak it out loud and practice. Now, let's hear a full conversation using the phrases we've just practiced. Listen closely. Hi, my name is Crystal. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Minato. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy, but I've lived in London for 3 years. What about you?
I'm from Spain. I moved to London last year to study computer science.
That's cool. How do you like living in London?
I love it. It's such a lively city and I've met so many great people. What do you do?
I work as a software developer. I create apps for small companies.
That's interesting. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like hiking and taking photos. Nature is my favorite place to be on weekends. What about you?
I really enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. It helps me relax.
That sounds awesome. You'll have to teach me sometime.
I'd love to. Let's practice again. I'll read Crystal part. You say Minato lines. Hi, my name is Crystal. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. I moved to London last year to study computer science. I love it. It's such a lively city and I've met so many great people. What do you do? That's interesting. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I really enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. It helps me relax. I'd love to. Now it's your turn. Now it's your moment. Pause this video and record yourself answering. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do or study? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. That's a wrap for today's episode of English Podcast for You. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Don't forget to practice the phrases and keep speaking English daily. In the next episode, we'll explore common greetings and how to ask, "How are you?" in natural English. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. Leave a comment below and introduce yourself. I'd love to get to know you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.